If you're pregnant with a baby girl, you may experience these 5 signs. 1. Severe morning sickness. Morning sickness is a sign that occurs in the first 3 months. When pregnant with a girl, mothers often have a weaker immune system, so they are more likely to experience severe morning sickness compared to when pregnant with a boy. 2. Craving sweets. If a pregnant mother craves sweets, she is carrying a girl, while craving spicy or salty foods more than usual indicates she is carrying a boy. 3rd line of hair on the belly. When you're pregnant, if the line on your belly is faint, short, or curves instead of being straight, it may suggest you're having a girl. 4th, shape of the baby bump. If the bump tends to be round and slightly spread out on both sides, the likelihood that the mother is carrying a girl is very high. 5th, color of urine. If the urine is cloudy white, the fetus is likely a girl.